Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nickstoygarage, and today is my birthday. I've collected some packages over the last couple of weeks, even months. Some opened, some are still sealed, and today it's time to open them. Let's go! So let's start with the first package. Let's try to get this thing open. Some of these are viewer mail, some of these are just things I bought, but I thought it was a nice idea to open them on my birthday, so it kind of looks like presents for me. I love it. So let's see what's in here. There is the Wild Ranger kennel truck, the wildlife truck from Matchbox number 57. This is coming up in a future video. Just watch, because that's the only thing in it. This is the one I bought. Next package, let's see. We have a big one right here. Let's see what's inside this one. Note. So let's take a look. There's a lot of paper. There is something here. Lovely. This is, I think, the models of Yesteryear. The paper needs to go away. Models of Yesteryear. This is a 1918 Crossley RAF tender. This one is in beautiful. It's just missing the roof, and some models have I think coal, or I think barrels right here, or a canopy from the ambulance, the army. I have no idea, but this one is in beautiful condition except missing these parts. There's one more in here. Yeah, there it is. There is the other one. This is the same model, but this one has actually the there it is. I think this is potatoes. Potatoes are still intact, which is also missing the canopy roof, but that's no problem. Missing the sticker, so maybe one of these will get a restoration. Who knows, they're in pretty good shape, so I don't think they will get restored anytime soon. Next package, I'm gonna choose the one that's already opened. These are 4 in here. We have a nice Citroën 2 Chevaux TUCV from MC Toys, I think it is. Originally yellow, just this really needs a restoration. Just did my Acadian video link on the top right of the screen, so this one should fit pretty nicely. Piece of the bumper missing, but that's no big deal. Next we have a nice Subaru Impreza. Always want to do one of these in a nice blue with the gold wheels, so maybe this one will be next in a future video. We have a nice Ford Thunderbird. This is a Majorette one, actually. A reference to 90, I think. This is an awesome car and really deserves a restoration. And 2 more. We have another wildlife truck. This one is a safari version. And we have a Lancia Monte Carlo, also from Majorette. Before we go to the next package, if you want to send me also some packages or want to challenge me to a build-off, go to the description down below. There is my email address, so you can challenge me or ask, well, to send me some stuff. Next, let's see. There it is. Also one opened. We have a really nice, I think it's a models of Yesteryear Mercedes 36220. There is something missing right there. Let me know what that is in the comment section down below. We have a little bit of a crooked the fenders, so this one really needs a restoration, and it will probably get one really soon. Oh, I bumped them. Next we have another Mercedes, I think. This is I need to come closer for this one. A 1908 GP Mercedes from Lesney number 10. In pretty good shape. The steering wheel is a little bit loose, but I think for the rest it's complete. We still have the exhaust, the chain drive, like in the good old days. So this one definitely needs a restoration if I can, if I think it's all complete, which I think it is. Next we have a nice Matchbox Thames Trader compressor truck. Really nice old one. I love restoring these older cars, and I can put a lot of detail in the compressor part of this thing, so that's amazing. And last but not least, from this box is other models of Yesteryear. This is the Rolls-Royce 1912, missing the back seat. So if anyone has the back seat, which is, well, Belgium or the surrounding countries, please let me know, so we can probably make a deal. I can maybe buy it from you. So this one really needs a restoration. Just another tire on these and the little back piece, and this should be complete. Next box, I think we have 2 more to go. No, we're not. We have 3 more to go. There's one big one I need to go outside for because, well, it's too big to fit under here. I need to make a little bit of space. So let's take the next one. This one is taped really good. Try the other side. Hoppa. Just like that. And let's see what's inside this one. Again, a lot of paper. A lot of paper actually. There they are. So let's start with the first one. No idea what this is. I think it's a Jaguar actually. Oh, there it is. This is officially my favorite model of all time. This is the Matchbox. I think it's the number 36. Yes, 36. I think that's 36. Hot Rod Jaguar. And this is my all-time favorite Matchbox model. I really want to restore one, have one of these in perfect condition. The rest of them I have 6 or 7, all with a missing glass, missing engine. This one is complete and it should make for a pretty nice restoration. It's not the worst of conditions, but I think it deserves of a restoration. Next, well, this is a funny one. Well, looking funny. I think this is a Majorette based on the Excalibur. Let's try to open it without damaging it. Oh my god. That's funny. This is the Majorette Excalibur. This is really funny. I really want to restore it, but well, I cannot save the stickers, obviously. So this one, maybe, I'm not sure what I will do with this one. If you want to see it restored, let me know in the comment section down below. Next. Ooh. This is a nice one. Hot Wheels, 1979 Mattel. This is, I think, a Ford model. I have no idea. I think it's an old Ford. I really love this. I have one laying right here. I think that's also an old Ford. I think this is the Model A Ford. This one will be restored really soon. Maybe this one will also get a chance on a nice restoration. Should be pretty nice video. I think the headlights are actually missing, but I can make my own. Probably put them right here, but no idea. Next, let's see what else is inside here. I think I can make out the shape again. This is the Matchbox. I think it's an AMC. No, this is a Pontiac Firebird. This is a lovely model, really dirty, just the way I like my models restored. Low in the corner right there for my, I think it's my dirtiest video yet. It is the Corgi Toys, the Diane, and the Rolls Royce. Is it Rolls Royce? Yeah, video right there. So we have this nice Pontiac Firebird. Ooh, this one is for next year to restore because, well, it's only 1 month left in this year. Let's see what else is in here. Some big ones, actually. Wasn't expecting that. Let's see what this is. I think this is... Oh, wow. This is actually also models of Yesteryear, I think. Yes. This is the Talbot Van 1927. Which seems to be in pretty good shape, so no restoration needed from this one. With a little bit of a touch up from the paint and a little bit of a clean up, obviously. But this one's in pretty good shape. Lovely. I think there is one more in here, I think. Let's put that to the side. And there it is. What is this? Ah, there it is. Oh, wow. That's lovely. This is a, what is it? Solido, I think. However, this is a 1957 Chevy Cameo pickup. And it's used under license, which is amazing. This is a beautiful car. And I think it's pretty complete. It has the mirrors, the antenna, the grille, headlights. Well, some tires missing, but I can get some new ones of those. This one screams to be restored, actually. It is in pretty good shape, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna get a restoration, but let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see this one restored. I think we have 2 more boxes. Need to make a little bit of space because we're getting crowded from this one. This is also a big box. I'm gonna actually set this box, I think, off my table because it takes so much space. So I put this one on the ground. So just take out whatever I need. I think there are supposed to be 5 cars in this one. So let's do the first one. Oh wow. This is a Days Gone DG50. That's a lovely model. Wasn't really expecting this one. That's amazing. This one screams to be restored actually. Next. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, wow, this is a Ford Model T, I think. Model T 1920, no, 1912. I cannot really read the maker, but this is a really nice model. Next, we have, oh wow, it isn't supposed to be this color. This is a Citroen C4F 1930 by Solido. It has a really caved inside. I think the window is actually broken, but I can probably repair that one. The roof rack is missing, however. I should maybe cut off the rest or maybe try to fix it. But this is in, well, an overpainted state, obviously. But this one, they think that the yellow is the original color, or maybe the brown. But this one obviously needs a restoration. Next. Oh my. It's bad. Somebody overpainted this one also. This is a Matchbox Models of Yesteryear. A Renault. Cannot read it. It's just Renault, I think. In camo paint. I have no words. Well, the mechanism is still there. The steering wheel is still there. So I think everything is there. But it's just... Oh my god, it's horrible. This car didn't... It's nicely done. Don't hear me say that. But that car didn't deserve that. Needs a restoration. Ace F. Next car. Oh, it's also one of these. It's a Models of Yesteryear 1914 Prince Henry Vauxhall. Also overpainted in a horrible color. Even interior has been done. So this one screams to be restored. But nice car. Love it. Not sure what that is supposed to be. There is something under there. Some points. I'm not really sure what this is. If you know, let me know in the comment section down below. There are a couple more in here. Oh, also overpainted. So the window, I think it's broken actually. It's just laying there, which isn't fun. But this is a Rio Fiat Model 501 made in Italy. Also overpainted. Same artist, I think. There's a couple more in this box. Oh, I think the paint was on sale actually. We have a 1906 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost Matchbox Models of Yesteryear. Also complete, so that's good, but also painted in the same horrible paint. Let's go, we have I think 3 more in this box, and then we have 1 more box left. Oh, another AF, where is it? Where is it? Oh, here. Same one of these. A little bit of a worse condition, I think. A little bit, just a little bit. Love it. I'm loving opening these, actually. Oh, we have another one of these. You have another Days Gone. This is a DG 7, 9, 13, 14, 37 by Solido, I think. Yes, Solido. Is it Solido? No, by... I cannot read that. Lovely model. Needs restoration because it's also overpainted in a horrible flat black without any details. And last but not least, from this box, another one of these. Is it the same one? Yes, it's the same one. Lovely. So, one box outside. Let's go.